course offerings that I have. Currently, I host a free online webinar every Thursday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, teaching you how to design a brand identity kit in Canva. Your brand identity is important because it is how your brand is perceived and your brand's personality. In the class, you'll learn about typography, color psychology, and a little bit about mood boards. If you'd like to learn more about social media and how to use it to boost your career, whether it's real estate or any other business you have, I do have a course on Udemy, and I will link the link to the course down below in the description box. And lastly, I am currently enrolling for The Art of the Influence, How to Build a Business Using Your Social Currency. This is a 6-week live course that'll teach you how to build a profitable influencer business from the ground up. Classes start after January 8th, which is the last day to enroll.